If a zone is not printed on your boarding pass, we invite you to board with Zone 4. Please have your passport ready for presentation. Thank you for choosing Air Canada.
Dominic, I'm your service director, and today your cabin crew is pleased to be of service in English, French, and Korean. At this time, we ask you to please ensure that your seat back and tray table are upright and your seatbelt is fastened. Island exit needs to be clear, and your baggage, including larger electronic devices such as laptop, computer, must be safely stored. Portable electronic device should be set to airplane mode. If your electronic device falls in your seat, please do not move your seat or try to retrieve it yourself as it poses a fire hazard. Notify your cabin crew immediately to ensure the safe retrieval of the device. Thank you. The overhead bins. On this aircraft, roller bags can be stored vertically in the bins rather than flat. Also, please note that the exit sign on this aircraft are identified by a green symbol. Ladies and gentlemen, your safety is our top priority. At this time, we ask you to please take a moment to watch the following demonstration outlining the safety feature for this aircraft. At this time, headsets connected to a portable electronic device must be removed. Thank you.
Welcome aboard Air Canada.
Our captain today is Bill Carson. Our first officer are Eric Holmes and Andrew Lissier. Our captain informs the flying time will be 10 hours 45 minutes, 11 hours 25 minutes gate to gate. We'll be flying at 38,000 feet. And upon arrival in Seoul, it's cloudy, plus 6 degrees Celsius.
Incheon, Seoul area. Current weather in Seoul is overcast skies with variable winds about 10 kilometers an hour with good visibility and a temperature of 8 degrees. We should be touching down approximately 30 to 35 minutes for a local arrival time of 4:20 in the afternoon. We should be at the gate shortly after that. On behalf of the entire crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us on Air Canada today. Hope to see you again soon.
Welcome to Incheon International Airport. The local time it's 11 minutes past 4 p.m. Prepare your comfort and safety. Please remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened and your cabin baggage too until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Smoking is not permitted. You may now use receiving transmitting function of your mobile device. If you have a connecting flight, please refer to the computer screen in your terminal or consult a colleague on the ground who will be meeting this flight for your next boarding gate. On behalf of the captain or first officers and the cabin crew, I would like to thank you for including Air Canada member of Star Alliance in your travel plans. It was a pleasure to serve you on board today, and we hope to see you soon again. Thank you and have a great day.